Alright guys, today I got the Smallrig, like a triangle desk arm, so I can use it for, camera tripod, and I can use it for an overhead tripod, or overhead camera look. So can't wait to unbox this. Alright, so just gonna kind of rip this open, just because I'm too lazy to get a scissor. Okay. Whoa. It's just a nice unit. Okay. I'm assuming tools. I'm assuming this is tools. So it clamps off onto the side. And what you want to do, just let me show you. If you want to do overhead, you do this. And it gives it, you shouldn't get any wobbles because it's stabilized. Oh, it can go out that long, huh? I think that's 2 feet. It says 2 feet. Oh, that's pretty long. I don't need it to go out that far. That's pretty good. So to install, you just clamp it onto your desk. Okay, so here's me trying to clamp it onto my desk. Now, there is a small little issue I ran into, and it's something you can run into too. The screw is pretty long, so if you have a nightstand or something like right next to your desk, it may get in the way, so that's something to be wary of. I had to push the desk to the left a little bit just to get this to fit over my nightstand. Overall, this is a pretty cool unit. It stretches out pretty far and it's pretty robust. You can, lift it up out of the way. You just need to untighten the screw and you can lift it up out of the way, which is nice. And if you wanted to, you can use that as a tripod in itself. Here it is. And something that you'll probably need is an adapter, a quick release adapter that you can add on there so you can quickly attach your camera to get these overhead shots just like this. And so yeah, this is the shot that I got. Just showcasing my wide angle lens here as an example. I'm very impressed by it. Again, the material, it's made out of metal, so it's not rinky dinky quality. It's pretty good quality. And so you just need a few, extra little things such as the adapter to make it easy for you. Obviously you don't need the adapter. You could just screw in your camera. But overall, I'm very happy with this. I finally have something I can have on my desk and it's not too big. You can put it away off to the side, which is nice. One thing to note, I did put like a small little spare coaster under this so that it doesn't leave an imprint into my desk mat, but this is optional. So yeah guys, you see it right here. It's a pretty cool tool. I like it a lot. You just have to simply unscrew it, get it to where you want, whether it's this low or you can even raise it higher. You gotta unscrew both, but just tighten it there. It'll be stuck. And there you have it. You have your overhead footage. Just adjust this like that. And then got a top-down camera. I like it a lot. I'm very glad I purchased this. I already have a lot of uses that I plan to use it for, so very happy about it. It's, again, pretty robust. For the most part, if you shake the desk, it doesn't really shake all that much, if not at all. Yeah, so good stuff. If you want one, I have the link in the description. It was 65 bucks. You can maybe find this on sale every now and then. I might have gotten this for $10 off. Can't remember, but there it is. There you have it. Your Smallrig triangle overhead camera thing. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.